Hi everybody, have you ever watched Gabby's Dollhouse? I love the cute crafts they make, and I had decided to try one today. I have picked this beautiful kitty glitter glow. If you want to see how I made it, then keep watching my video. Oh, and guess what? It glows in the dark. How cool, right? Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more craft videos. Now let's get to it. Hi everybody, my name is Lana. And did you watch Gabby's Dollhouse? Because there's a lot of cats. And as you can see, I have cats right here. And one of the episodes, she made a snow globe. And we're going to try to do the same thing. But mine is going to be glowing in the dark. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get started. So what you need to make a kitty snow globe, a jar, some glow-in-the-dark sticks, stuff to put in your snow globe. What I use is foam beads, butterflies, and these translucent beads, food coloring, glitter glue, a black marker, scissors, pipe cleaner, and paper. Let's get started. First, draw a kitty's face on the jar. Just like this. Fill the jar with water. Then put all of the beads inside. Pretty. I didn't know it would stay on the top, but it looks like hair and it's silly. Add glitter glue. And mix well. Ooh, it looks cool when I mix it. It's so pretty. Break the glow sticks and put it inside. More. Put as many as you want. Drip, drop. Now add some food coloring. I picked pink since it's my favorite color. Do you want to make it darker? Just add some more drops until you're happy with the result. Look at that, guys! It's so pretty, I love it! I love how the small butterflies are twirling around. Spin, spin, spin. Make sure you screw its cap tightly so water doesn't spill when you shake your globe and it won't get on your clothes. Shake, 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 shake. Now cut 2 cat ears. Look at this, guys. It looks like a silly mask on me. Glue the ears on top of the jar. Cut 6 small whiskers. I use glue dots to fix it on the jar. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Our kitty glitter glove is all complete. Isn't it pretty, guys? What do you think? This is the final result, and it's so pretty. I love it. Now let's bring it into a dark room so you can see it glow in the dark. Come on, guys. Wow, it's so cool when it glows in the dark. I'm definitely gonna put this in my room when I sleep. When the sticks stop glowing, just remove them from the jar or replace them with new ones. When you're angry, shake it and then take a deep breath to calm you down. It worked for me. See? Why don't you try making your own? I hope you enjoy my video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.